is why it's important to get your air handler serviced, especially when it's in an attic. This one is completely clogged up and it's dripping, well, it's dripped onto the ceiling and caused all kinds of damage. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So as you saw in the short clip, it's monsoon season, humidity runs high. If you don't change your filters regularly, if you have a lot of pets and animals in the house, they carry really fine dust in their fur or whatever, that dust, when you run the ACs a lot, will end up inside the indoor coil if you're not changing out the filters regularly. This one actually ended up clogging up the primary. I already unplugged it a little bit. Look at all the junk that came out, and that caused the water to backflow so much that it started to leak over there, and it's gonna require a big drywall patch repair. You know, probably north of a grand at least, when you add in the paint and the texture and all that. So, you know, filters are cheap. Drywall repair is not. I think that is a quote I would like to patent. Filters are cheap, drywall repair is not. Or I should say, you know, something along the lines of, you know, HVAC repair is not. So, but that's pretty much it, y'all. I mean, you know, I'm gonna keep digging away at it, keep putting some more of that junk out of there, and we're probably gonna have to clean the indoor coil. But all that dirt mixed with the humidity turns into this mud, clogs up the, you know, primary and secondary drain line like it did right there. So, all right, y'all. Oh, and I was gonna say, you know, the drain line itself is not clogged. It's actually fairly clean, but because there's so much dirt that clogs up the little ports right there, it didn't let any water come into the primary or even the secondary line, you know. And so no, you know, I actually checked to see if this thing was clogged, either one, and they were not. So it was just right there where it comes out of the coil or out of the primary pan. All right, everyone, well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.